Some companies sponsor sports as a way to advertise themselves. Some people think it is a good trend, while others think there are disadvantages to this. Discuss both views and give your own opinion. Give reasons for your answer and include any relevant examples from your own knowledge or experience. Write at least 250 words. Model answer 1. Corporate sponsorship in sports is a common trend in modern times. Many indicate that it is a good trend, while others are of the opinion that there are drawbacks to this. This essay will discuss both points of view and argue in favor of the benefits of brands sponsoring sports. On the one hand, when a company sponsors sports and individual athletes, it can increase interference. That is to say that the company often expects favor, and if the event is sponsored by a big company, then it is likely that they will try to interfere in the working of the event. They, for instance, want to arrange the schedule of the tournament according to their design or shoot advertisements with athletes in the middle of the event, which in turn, translates the tournament into a marketing event. On the other hand, without sponsorship from companies, many sporting events may not take place. It is difficult for many organizers to meet expenditures, so it is important that companies assist these events so that they can continue to entertain the public. For example, there are many events like the Olympics or World Cup football which would not be successful without the funding of big corporations. Moreover, corporate sponsorships are crucial for attracting young talents and building more sports facilities all around the country. Without their money and support, spreading sports and making it popular among young people would have been much more difficult. In my opinion, I feel that financing sports by companies and big brands is a positive trend. This is because sponsorship is the mutual benefit of both parties. In simple words, sponsors often provide athletes with clothing and equipment free of charge for advertising purposes. In conclusion, corporate sports sponsorship has both positive and negative aspects. However, after a thorough analysis of both sides, I believe that sponsorship is a positive trend because it reaps advantages for both parties and spreads the popularity of sports all around the world. Model answer 2. Sponsoring sports events as a means of advertising has become increasingly common among companies. While some individuals view this trend positively, others argue that it brings about certain drawbacks. In this essay, I will explore both perspectives before presenting my own opinion. Personally, I contend that while sports sponsorship may provide visibility for companies, it can undermine the integrity of sports and lead to commercialization. Firstly, proponents of sports sponsorship argue that it benefits both companies and athletes. By associating their brand with popular sporting events, companies can reach a wider audience and enhance their brand recognition. For instance, major sports tournaments like the FIFA World Cup attract millions of viewers worldwide, providing ample exposure for sponsors. Moreover, sponsorship deals often provide financial support to athletes, enabling them to pursue their sporting careers and achieve success. However, detractors of sports sponsorship highlight the negative impact it can have on the purity of sports. When companies sponsor events or athletes, they often expect a return on their investment, which may compromise the integrity of the sport. For example, athletes may feel pressured to endorse products or behave in a certain way to please their sponsors, rather than focusing solely on their performance. This commercialization of sports can diminish the authenticity and spirit of competition. In conclusion, while sports sponsorship may offer benefits such as financial support and increased visibility for companies, it also poses risks to the integrity of sports. As a result, I believe that excessive commercialization through sponsorship deals is not conducive to the true essence of sportsmanship and fair competition.